Hi, this is Isaac from Compositional IT. In this series of short videos, we're going to be looking at how to build F# applications on .NET Core. Now in this video, we're going to be looking at doing this on Windows 10, but we're going to have another set of videos showing you how to do exactly the same thing on Linux. To start with, I've got here a Windows 10 virtual machine running in Microsoft Azure. It's a completely clean image, with the exception that I've also installed Firefox on it. In order to get F# installed on your machine, you actually only need one thing, and that's the .NET Core SDK. So I'm going to open up Firefox and do a search for .NET Core. I'm going to pick the second search result here, which is the download page for .NET Core. Now, I'm going to stay on the Windows tab and then choose the Download .NET Core SDK option from the .NET Core column. Since this virtual machine is running in Azure, it's quite quick to download the installer, as you can see. Now this virtual machine is backed with an SSD and has 4 cores, so it's actually going to be pretty quick to install the .NET Core SDK. Don't be surprised if this isn't the case for you. Depending on your machine, this process can take a few minutes. Now that the SDK is installed, I can now build an F# application. I'm going to start by creating a folder in my profile that I'm going to store all my applications in. And I'm going to call this folder Code. Next, I'm going to open up a command prompt into that folder. And there, I'll create a subfolder for my very first F# application, which I'm going to call Hello World. Before I first start creating my first application, I'm just going to confirm that .NET Core was correctly installed by running the .NET command. As you can see, it's been correctly installed. Now I'm going to actually create a new F# application from the command line using the command .NET new console -lang F#. Make sure you enter the -lang F# part at the end, otherwise you'll end up with a C# application instead. So the .NET command line tool seems to have created my application. I'm now going to take a look at what's been generated. So there's a Hello World fsproj and a program.fs file. Let's take a look at the program.fs file. As you can see, there's not a lot there. It opens the system namespace, and inside our main function, it prints out the text Hello World from F#. Now I'm going to run the application using the command .NET run. As you can see, there's the output. In the next set of videos in the series, we'll be looking at working with the F# interactive tool, FSI, as well as looking at dedicated development environments and associated features, such as debugging. Thanks for watching.